I see it.
Straight down there.
Okay, now I see it.
Be careful not to step on it.
Yeah. I want to start like right here.
Is it?
I wouldn't step in, Zoe. You better just jump.
Alright.
Because if you step in, you're never going all the way in.
I'm so scared.
$5, let's go.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Hey Zoe, you gotta get the pole. Get the pole, hurry. Zoe, get the pole. You're wet. Just do it.
Did you get the other thing?
Yeah, she got it. Come on.
Okay.
Just get the pole
Zoe,
and
you're
go.
amazing.
Hey, just go, girl. You got it.
I'm so cold.
You got it. Just do it,
My
Zoe.
head hurts.
No, you can do it.
Zoe, you got it, baby.
You just take 5 seconds. Go get it and come out. Already
And there's also
yeah.
It'll feel warmer this time.
newspapers. Oh.
Okay, yeah, the newspaper, just that thing.
Can somebody grab it when I pull it
Yes,
Yeah, I'll
we're
grab
right
it.
here. We're ready to go. So just pull it up to us.
Oh.
You got it, baby. You got it.
I can't believe I did this like 5 times last week. Or no, last week. A while ago. Okay.
Hey, that's cold.